Welcome. I just got a new package in from a company called EVOOOR, and they are a Tesla accessories company. They have some amazing Tesla accessories. Check them out. That's EVOOOR.com. They just sent me this in the mail. This is actually a great Caliper cover. I got yellow. We're gonna install this on my Tesla Model 3. We're gonna have a yellow and blue color pattern going on. Let's get this unboxed and see what it's like. And this one's going to be for the front, and then this one here will be for the rear. And then there'll be a decal that I put on here. Good packaging. Tesla Model 3 accessories. Right wheel, R1, R2, R3. Right rear wheel, R4, R5. That makes it easy. Front wheel, left, 1, 2, 3, and rear left wheel, L4, L5. Great. All right, that right there. And here's the decals. Oh, great, they're black too. Alright, so we have everything laid out, ready to go. We got my safety pucks. We got my breaker bar, my socket ready to go. We got the torque wrench set to 129 foot-pounds of torque. Just took off these covers. These go right here on all the tires. Just took those off. It was a little difficult. You just have to pop them off. It really takes two hands, and it does seem like you're gonna break them, but they do bend. Just got to pop that off. We got this ready to go, so we're gonna get that ready. And so I've never done this before. This is my first time ever working on a Tesla. We got the calipers right here ready. Okay, so we got the left set up here, got the right set up here. Remember, the lefts have the metal piece here on the left, right's metal piece there on the right. I like to pre-install all these. We got R1 here, we got the L1 here. Make sure yours look just like this on the inside. Another thing I haven't seen in any other videos, some nail polish. As we're screwing these in, I'm gonna pop some nail polish in there. Make sure we get a real tight seal, and that way these don't ever loosen up or move. And then we're ready to go on that. So we're gonna get our puck, and there's gonna be a place underneath the car right here. You just pop the puck up in that, and then that's where you hit the jack. We also got some chucks underneath the tire on the other side to prevent the car from moving or rolling while we have it up in the air. Here we go. Up a little bit. Got them both right there, so they should fit right in there, right in there. So I just put one little dab. as there's some space there and it's held on pretty tight. Alright, so just got this one on. Very solid. Looked it, I checked. You can actually see if you come around this side, right here, you should be able to see that. Good space right there, and maybe on this side might be able to see that good space right there. So we got this one done. Let's put that tire back on. Letting it down nice and slow. Jack stands out. Now we'll go ahead and torque these lug nuts. Got it set right there. 129. I don't know if you can see that. 129. Almost need an extension on this. There it is. There it is. There it is. There. All right, torqued. Got it installed. Now, hopefully the other ones will go a lot faster, but yeah, looks great. Love it. Now I'm gonna remove my chucks and I'm gonna move the car just to make sure that it's not rubbing and that I installed this one right, and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Decided to go ahead and get my gloves on. Gardening gloves, they'll work. Okay. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. So you want to take this, what I've heard is that you want this to be on the inside. Go right there. It looks like it'll just hold right in there. Here, let me show you. So right here, fits right in there. There we go. Put that right in there. And a second ago, it was holding a second ago. Now it won't, but oh well. All right. And then there's two grooves right here and one right down there. I'm gonna make sure that they can fit right inside that groove. Okay, top one's in. There we go. These seem pretty solid. Pretty good placement. These I can clearly see too, which I like. So I want to make sure I'm not anywhere near that rotor. I should have probably grabbed. Yeah, I'm not being able to hit that center of it there. So I'm gonna take a pause. I'm gonna try to get this centered and we'll be back on the video. All right, here we go. All right, so I readjusted it, and as I was putting it on, I used my fingers inside here to really kind of get it just right. And then I used this and I'll go ahead and show you. I was able to actually get it right in there. Kind of did a little bit of that, and then boom. Okay, got this in there. So now, hopefully I'm gonna tighten this all the way down. Not all the way, just enough to hold it right on. But before I do that, these look good. I'm gonna make sure these are set right. Yep, clearance. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna put a dab of my fingernail polish in there for as Loctite. Same thing with these. There we go. So that gets it to stay on real solid. Okay, so now we're gonna tighten it in. All right, so now I'll let you come around over here. Check this out. You should be able to see right there. You can see in there. That one's right there. It's got a little bit of a gap. Should have this one as well, right there. All right, so we're just gonna tighten these down while we hold this in place. And then once we get it all set, tighten it all in. All right, there we go. No rubbing. There we go. All done. All right, that's how you install them. We'll put the tire back on and we'll do the other two on the other side, and that's it. Be complete. All right, just finished the other side. I wanted to just show you here. This is the right back caliper, and you can see again, it's right here. There's one right there. You can see it, and you can tell if you look just right, there is a gap right there. And same thing here. Super hard to see. Maybe you can see it on this side. Yep. There's a gap there, so it is not touching the rotor, and it's on super strong. I'm trying to kind of move it around just to see, and I tightened it up as tight as I possibly could. So ready to go. All right, just finished up with the brake caliper install. Looking pretty snazzy, pretty smooth. All right, they look pretty sick. Definitely added that special touch to really make my Tesla mine.